Hello friends and welcome back to another video. This is a simple toenail art design using a stamping plate. And over here I have used the reverse stamping technique to create this design. So for this design, first I applied base coat on my toenails and I let it dry off completely. Once the base coat dried up, I used a very light colored polish. I chose this petal pink color and I gave a layer of this polish on my nails. So if you smudge up your nails while putting the polish, you can easily remove off the excess by using this dotting tool. Then I took the stamping plate and I used the maroon polish on the design and I picked up the design on the stamper head. Once the polish dried up a little, I applied a layer of clear top coat because I'll be filling in colors next. Applying a layer of clear top coat helps save the design. It does not get removed when you fill in the colors. So I chose this glittery red polish. It's kind of shimmery polish which I used on some of the spaces, and then I also used various shades of cream, pink and even yellow on this design. So in this manner I started filling up the design. I chose a yellow polish to give it a little bit more contrast here and there, and I also used a chrome polish, which is your banana cream polish, and I used that in between the designs. And I also left some empty spaces where the light pink color will be visible. I applied tape on my nails to make the cleanup a little bit easier, and I put on the design on my toenail. Then I removed off the tape. Now since the design was a little bit wet, it was a little sticky. If I would have waited a little bit longer, it would have been easier to remove the tape. But I was in a hurry, so I did this technique. Once the tape is removed, all I needed was some nail polish remover and a cleanup brush to clean up the surrounding areas. Once the basic cleanup is done, I used a dotting tool and I removed the excess polish all around using the dotting tool to give it a clean look. Then I finished off the design by using a layer of glossy top coat, and remember to cap off the edge of the nail because we are using the stamping technique over here. And on my remaining nails I used a deeper color of pink, and on one of the nails I used the same red color polish which had a little bit of glimmer to it. And in this manner I finished off the rest of the nails, and this very easy stamping toenail art design is done. And as before, you can remove off any excess polish all around your nails using the dotting tool or a cleanup brush and some nail polish remover. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked this very easy stamping toenail art design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.